Unit 6, Lesson A. Exercise B.
Today we're talking about the scientific process. This will be interesting for anyone in the class who wants to become a scientist someday. It will also be interesting for everyone who wants to understand science stories in the news. So, everyone in this class. Most of the time, the scientific process begins when a scientist makes an observation. They see something or notice something that is new and interesting. After that, they form a hypothesis. The hypothesis is a way to explain an observation, but it's not the end of the story. It needs to be tested. So the next step in the scientific process is to do research. Now, there are many ways to do research, but often a scientist works in a laboratory in order to test their hypothesis in a controlled way. After that, scientists look carefully at the results of their research and they reach a conclusion. Sometimes the conclusion proves their original hypothesis, but other times they need to go back and change the hypothesis and begin the research all over again. It takes time and patience to be a good scientist. The last step in the scientific process is to publish the results. A big part of science is sharing information with the public and with other scientists. So publishing articles in scientific journals is a regular part of life as a scientist.